Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video, we'll show you how to install your laravel 10 so you can begin your blog project. So now to install your laravel 10, you go to your documentation, into your official laravel website. Inside your documentation, we are installing the latest version, which is now you click on creating a laravel project. You click on it. So now the first thing you want to do is after you must have installed XAMPP, you will see the folder inside your local drive. So you click on it, and inside your htdocs, this is where all the projects you have worked on will be inside your htdocs. So you open it. So now I want to create a new folder here. You can call it pro. So now inside this pro, this is where I want to install the laravel. So how do I do that? Let's go to the laravel official website. Inside this website, to install your laravel project, you install it using composer. Remember, we've installed composer in the previous video. Now it will be useful for us here. We're going to install the laravel project using composer, create project, laravel. Then this will be your project name. Now let's copy it. Once we copy it, inside the pro folder we opened inside our XAMPP htdoc, I'm going to click here and run type your cmd. So it open your command prompt directly inside this pro folder. So now you paste this. So we are installing the laravel 10 using composer create project laravel/laravel. Then the name of the project, the name what to name the project, you can just name it blog. So you click enter. As soon as you click enter, it's going to download all the necessary documents from the internet, everything we need. As you can see, it's downloading it. So I'm going to come back once it's done downloading. It's going to take a little while. As you can see, it's done installing. So let's go to the official website. So what's the next thing to do? You have to direct it to the directory of the name of the project. That's the name you name the project. So inside your control panel, we name the project blog. So you're just going to do cd blog. You click enter. And see, you're now directly in the we are in the directory of the blog folder now. Let's open our folder. You can see created another folder blog inside the pro folder. If you click it, you can see all the files it's called. So this is the laravel 10 that we just installed. This is where we'll be creating our project. So now if you open your control panel, what we want to do now is we want to start the server. So we have to do php serve. So if you click enter, it's going to give you the link to the server. So as you can see, it says your server is running now. So if you click this server, you're going to control click it. It's going to open up this welcome page. So this is a default page, default welcome page for Laravel. So once you install Laravel 10 and you start your server, that is your PHP artisan serve, it's going to redirect you to the welcome default page. So in this page, this is where we are going to be loading all our projects. Now let's open this project in our VS Code. So once you've installed your VS Code, go to come here, going to open the folder on our local drive, htdoc. inside our pro. Then this is the folder I want to open. So now as you can see, the folder is open. It's actually in a MVC pattern. So I'm going to go through all this folder here inside this our Laravel 10 project one by one. So if you go to your app here, come to your HTTP, inside this your controller, this is where all your controller that you'll be creating, this is where they'll be. This is your middleware also. And also if you come to your model, this is where all your model will be all the model you created. And see it came with a default user model. So all the other models you'll be creating, this is where you'll find them. So now inside your database too, all your migrations table is where will be located too. And also inside your resources, inside your view, inside your welcome. So this your welcome page. This is what is displaying in the browser. Yeah. So we are going to replace this welcome page with our actual front end page. Front end we want to use for our project. We'll be replacing it with this. This is our route here. This is our web.php. And see this slash, it means home. Anywhere you see slash in a Laravel project, it means it's going to direct you to the home. This is actually the URL. So the URL now, it's return view your welcome page. And your welcome page is located inside your resources view and welcome. So all the pages we are going to be creating for this project is located inside our views, inside our resources view. So we'll create everything inside here. We are going to be creating the routes inside our web.php. So now the next thing we want to do is inside your local host. Inside your local host here, you click on your PHP admin. So after clicking on PHP admin and this page opens, what we want to do next is we want to create our database and link it to our Laravel project. So now in our next video, I'll be showing you how to create your database here, linking it into your Laravel project here. So that's what we'll be doing in the next video. See you in the next video.